Hello, welcome to Microplanet RC, nice to see you. This is the first video of a monthly series titled To Be Defined. Basically, we have a €50 budget for an AliExpress bundle, which we fill with RC-related stuff. Then when it arrives, we unpack it, show the contents of the bundle, and explain its purpose. Sit back and enjoy.
Hello and welcome to the show. This is Microplanet RC, and this is the first video of a series that I'm going to do. Actually, this is the second video, because the first I made the beginning of the year, but I accidentally deleted the footage, so this is the second video. What I have here is a AliExpress bundle. I have a €50 budget to spend on a bundle. You know that pages on AliExpress, I am not affiliated with AliExpress, by the way. Sometimes I go on AliExpress and make a bundle with RC related stuff, and this is the latest one. This is €50 worth of RC stuff. I already opened the pack and took this off. This is not RC stuff, but it's a sponsor of the channel, just the biggest sponsor of the channel. And yeah, let's begin. In this video I will open this bag. And I will be talking to you guys about future builds and some other stuff. So on my latest video on my MN333 and LR1801, I spotted some that servo is sound deficiencies, sort of saying, on the LR18 with the GXC, and I'm going to fix that. So I have already some stuff for it, some upgrades. They are not here. But I can tell you guys, this is one of the upgrades for the GXC that came in this bundle. This is a servo. This is, I think, RCAZ servo for it, a metal servo. Because I noticed the servo sounded funny after a while. So this is already an upgrade for the GXC LR1801. So yeah, and also my MN333 is going to have an upgrade. I'm going to upgrade its electronics, but I don't have it yet. Next, I'm opening this box. This is not an RC thing. This is a display, so I can put my oh, nice. So let me take these out of the way and put them on frame when I am going to open them. Okay. So what this is, it's a display. You can put some batteries on. Ooh, nice. A big one. And yeah, and I think you can plug it directly. Ooh. Nice. So let's see. This is the speed. Go faster and faster. And the other way. And this is a sticker you can glue on the top there. Right? This is cool. This is very cool. Next item is this. Yeah, just a recovery line. The recovery line for my FMS or some other rig. Right here is a set of LEDs, 2 sets. I think some are red and some are other colors. I don't remember which color it is, but these are some lights to go on a rig. Another item on the table, it's also for my FCX10. This is just something I want to put on the top. It comes with some stickers. That's nice. Okay. Who doesn't like stickers? So I think this needs to be tightened down a bit. Another piece of decoration. I think this is also a camel trophy bag. It also comes with some stickers. Yeah. More stuff to decorate my FCX10. Of course, all of this was 50 euros. This was, of course, I think 6. I don't remember. Now, more stuff. These are some links. Some blue links, M3, and I am going to use this on a build. I have also purple ones on the way, so stay tuned for that. Another. See, my media display is having a heart attack, so it has some freedom to display the pictures whatever it wants. So this is a hook for my FCX10. I don't know how does this work. This is looking very small to me. But yeah, this is a hook. This should open. I don't know how this opens. Maybe this unlocks in a way that I am not seeing. Okay, this is for future me to find out. This is a lanyard. I'm finding this very small. This I don't remember. Yes, I remember because I'm squeezing it. These are some tires. These tires are for my WPL C64. So these are 72 mil tires. Those ones, the Injora ones she has now, I'm not liking the look. Those are the XHX pin tires. And these are some, I don't remember the brand. These are some Chinese brand, but these are some 72 millimeters. I think they are look like the trepadors or trepadors. I don't know the name, but yeah, some wheels. I will be making a video on my WPL C64 very soon, because I have some news on it. These are some underglows. These are red underglow strips. I don't know which build I will be installing this. I think the red one will be my MN82S. Yes, my MN82S will be sporting some underglow. Also, I will be making a video, one of the last videos on it, because I'm going to retire my MN82S. I will be putting some new wheels and tires on it, and make some trailing videos on it, and ultimately will retire it, because it's my oldest rig and I don't have any more upgrades for it. I'm lying, I have a pair of shocks and some wheels and tires for it. Okay, this and these. Oh yes, this is for another one of my builds. This is for my ZD Racing RX12. If you saw my latest video on the ZD Racing, I bashed it and I trashed it.
Oh, I broke
and
the light
I end up destroying the wiring for the lights.
I forgot that I had it plugged in.
And this is my answer for it. I will solder this tip on the roof, and this tip will go to the receiver, and this is magnetic. So maybe, okay, you can't, it doesn't allow you to connect it the wrong way. So this is very nice. It only can be connected the right way. This was a thing I was curious about. And yeah, this is very nice. This is a nice little upgrade, and very cheap upgrade for the ZD Racing. If you are like me and already destroyed the connectors. I don't remember what this is yet. I need to see. Okay, these are the. Okay, these are for my this is for my WPL C64. These are wheel adapters, hex wheel adapters to 5 millimeters to 7. This allows us to use 1.3 and 1.0 wheels on our MN and the WPL models that come with the 5 millimeter X. You will still be using the original screws, by the way. And yeah, these are the other ones I remembered. These are the other adapters. I'm hoping these are less wobbly than the other ones, because the ones I have on my MN99 are a bit wobbly. So we are reaching the end of the video, and I want to get your attention to two subjects. So the poll was about which wheel looked the best on the MN99 V2. these are the Austar Hobby 85 millimeters 26 wide, and these are the Red Spider 85 32. So one is black and one is white. I prefer the Red Spider because they are a bit heavier and they look better because they are wider. From the front they look the best, but I did not decided yet which one looked the best. So this build changed a bit. So from the outside I made a few changes. I'm going for this look, 83 1.9 wheels, because there aren't many MN99s looking like this out there, and I am liking it. Not for everyone. This is my personal taste, and yeah. So I will be making a video on this, showing in more detail what I've done to it, electronically, and also all the cosmetic stuff. I will explain that in detail on the future video. On the docket is also a video of my WPLC 64-1. There she is. My WPLC 64 also suffered a few changes. As you guys can see, she has underglow, and she is powered by a 2-cell battery, a 2200 milliamp battery. I had to make a few changes, and yeah. And I have new tires for it because these are cool, but I have other ones that are cooler. And yeah, and that's all for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to follow this build, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, leave a like. Follow me also on Bash Maps. And yeah, that's all for now, guys. See you on the next one.
Goodbye for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Microplanet RC, small scale, big passion.